Hi guys, good evening. So let's continue the next part that is cap. So you can see the part drawing here and also I have given the dimensions. So let's see how we got this. So in order to construct this, so let me draw one line from here to here that is 44 by 2 that is 22 mm and a line from here to here that is 6 mm and the distance from here to here he has not given. So blindly we can draw one horizontal line and he has given there is one arc of radius 19 mm. So from this point in the center, draw an arc of 19 mm radius where this arc intersects this horizontal line, trim off there, and I got this point. And from here to here, he has given it to be a 12 mm. So from here to here, it is 21 mm. How we got this 21 mm is we can see that this is 43. So that means that from center to here, it is 43. So 43 minus 22 will be 21 mm. And this height we know that that is 10 mm. Also, this distance I don't know. Blindly you draw one line and he has given there is a arc of radius 36 mm. So with this point as a center, 36 mm as a radius, you cut one arc where that arc intersects this horizontal line, trim off there and close this profile and pad it for a symmetric protrusion of 18 mm so that we get it 36 mm. Right? So first let's create this. So let's go to the sketch, front plane. I will take up a line command. So from here to here, the first one is 22 mm and then 6 mm on the blindly. I will draw one horizontal line. Right? I will go with the arc with the center point. With this point as a center, 19 mm as a radius. Let me cut one arc. Right? Let's go to the trim. Where this line intersects this horizontal line, let me remove. Also, let's go with a line with this end point. Right? Draw one line of 12 mm. Next 21 mm. Height will be 10 mm. Right? Similarly, you draw one horizontal line. Go with the arc with the center point. With this point as the center, 36 mm as the radius, cut one arc. Go with the trim where this line intersects, remove that. And I don't need this line, I don't need this line. Right? Go with the line command and join these two. Right? Finish. Go with the pad, symmetric extent of distance 18 mm because we have 36, so symmetric extent of 18. Now, here I can see that there is a curved profile, but the drawing which we have a flat profile. So let's go with sketch, choose this face, go with the arc with the center point. With this point as a center, 43 mm as radius, you cut one arc, close the profile, finish, go with extrude, cut it out. Once if you've done that, at a distance of 31 mm from the center, there is one hole to be drilled of a dia to 10.5 mm and one groove cut is there. Right? So this groove cut of radius 12 mm is given only to make seat availability for nut. Right? Seat availability for nut. So what I can do at a distance of 31 mm, let's draw one circle of 10.5 mm. So go to the sketch. at a distance of 31 mm. Sorry, it is not a line. Blindly on this line, right? You draw one circle of 10.5 mm, right? So go to the dimension. You make sure the distance between this to this center to 31 mm, right? Now I'll go with the arc with the center point. With this point as the center, right? Radius is 12 mm. I will cut one arc. So let me close this profile. Let me finish it. We go to the extrude this, a through hole. Click on OK. And sketch is hidden. You will display it. Go to the cutout. These two. Add it on the top. So now I don't need the sketches. Let me hide them. So this is the half portion. This is the half portion. So let me mirror it up. So let's go to the mirror. Select the bodies to be this, and the mirror plane should be this same plane. Click on finish. Once the mirroring is done, so I need to drill a hole pattern. So for this, there are different methods are there. One of the easiest method is you offset one plane exactly on this top at a distance of 36 mm. Right? You drill one hole of 6 mm with a deep 10 mm, and at the bottom you draw one circle of 3 mm dia, cut it out. Right? So what I do is I'll go to the front plane. So I'll go to the construct, offset a plane. This plane I will offset it by a distance of 36 mm. I'll go to the sketch. Sorry, I will not go to sketch. I will go to the hole. I can choose this plane. Go to the top. I have snapped it to that. And hole of 6 mm in diameter, 10 mm depth. So simple hole, right? Of I need angle. The depth is 10 mm with 6 mm dia. Click on OK. Right? 6 mm hole with 10 mm depth. So now let me go to the sketch. Choose the top plane. With this point as the center, draw one circle of 3 mm in dia. Finish that. Go to the extrude through cut. Right? You can see that the same pattern we're going to get that. Right? So this is how the cap can be done, and the same, let's assign the material for this. For this also the material is a cast iron. Go to the physical material, under metals. So I have a cast iron. Assign a material, and then you can create a component. We can rename it to be a cap, and we can save it. Right? So this completes the second part, that is cap. Thank you.